You got that ball. What you doing with that ball, huh? What are you doing with that ball, huh? I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Tucker, what are you doing with that ball? Tucker, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Riley, I'm gonna get that ball. Riley. There he is. Hey, you guys. Hey, Tucker, what are you doing? Riley, go get that ball. Go get that ball, Riley. Come on, get that ball. Where's that ball? Tucker, get it. Ah, it's a monster. It's a monster, Tuck. Go get it, Riley. Go get it. You guys are great. I love you so much. Hold on one second. We gotta play this again. Hold on. Okay, there it is. I'm gonna get it. Tucker. Go get it. Go get it. You're a good chaser. Oh, you're bored already, huh? You're bored already. Now you're gonna chase your brother. A tormentor. I'm gonna torment you, Rye. You can't get that ball. Get that ball, Rye. Get the ball. Get the ball, Rye. Get the ball. Come on, get it. Come on, get it. Get the ball. Get the ball. Yeah, Rye got it. Rye's got it. Okay, Rye. Go get it. Go get it, Tuck. I love you guys. You're beautiful. You are beautiful. God bless you.